Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a perfect mandala in the app HIPAINT. So here I'm going to open 1:1 ratio canvas in my HIPAINT app, and in the first layer I'm going to draw the mandala. Here you can see the symmetry tool, and inside that we have so many options. This is horizontal ruler, vertical ruler, and here this is the radial ruler, which means it gives lines or the artwork in particular direction that we have drawn, and there is no mirror reflection of that artwork. And next comes the kaleidoscope ruler. So you can use both of these radial ruler or kaleidoscope ruler for mandala drawing. Here I'm going to draw mandala using this kaleidoscope ruler, which is the fourth one. So if you want to position this, you have to, you can move using this point like this. And if you avoid moving of this, then you can just lock accidentally if you can move that. So to avoid that, you can lock using that lock option. And next is the visibility. If you don't want that lines to be visible for recording or something like that, you can switch off the visibility of the ruler, and if you want you can switch on. So here I'm going to keep it on. Now I'm going to draw the mandala, and I'm using black color and ballpoint pen in ink section. So the perfect brush that I prefer for mandala drawing is this ballpoint pen, because that have same size all over the stroke, so it is perfect for mandala drawing. So I'm going to keep this mandala very simple, not I'm not going to draw something complicated. The main thing I'm concentrating here is how we can draw a perfect mandala using the HIPAINT. So here you can see, if you want to fill this area, there are three options. One, you can fill using this stroke itself. If you are using this, like using brush that I have done now, it is very easy, because if you draw in one section, it's going to reflect in all these all the sections, so no worries about that. And here, if you want to draw the lines, there is one option, shape tool, and here you can use the line tool to draw the lines. So here this design is very easy, you can draw without the tool. But when you want to draw something like a rectangle mandala where you need more straight lines, then you can use this line tool. So here I'm using without the line tool itself. So this is the second point. And third point is, like, if you're drawing something and if your HIPAINT app is recognizing some shape and creating its own shape, it is difficult for you to continue or draw, because it's keep on creating its own shape. In such situation, just go to sketch settings, and here you can see in the curve tool there is the shape recognition on. Switch off that, and now you can draw any shapes as you wish, because when it comes to mandala we need more curves. In such case, you can switch off the curve tool, the shape recognition, because that will create its own shape, which avoid from us drawing our own shape. So here you can see the fourth tip is filling the color using the bucket tool. You can fill like this also, because it is not separated sections, it is all connected, so that is easy. But the problem with the bucket tool is, when you switch on the bucket tool to fill color, the symmetry tool get switched off by its own. Again, when after you finish using the bucket tool, you have to go to symmetry tool to switch on the ruler again. So that's the thing. Now, like this, and the sixth point, again, if you want to fill colors using dragging method, it will be easy for some other thing like it have the perfect shape, but if you have minute details, better go for the brush strokes like this instead of using the drop color drop option. So I think that's all the tips that I can give for the mandala. I have given around 4 to 5 tips for you based on the color filling techniques and using the tools. Here you can see there is it is a wide area. In such a case, you can go for drop color drop option. And yeah, this is about creating mandala in high paint. You can use these steps to create a better mandala. So I hope you like this tutorial. And now to save the mandala, just go to this share option and save this as JPEG file. And yeah, now it's ready. Let's go to the gallery, and here is our simple mandala. Hope these tips will be useful for you, and thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel.